Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I'm outside right now. Is this weird? I have no idea if my neighbors are gonna be like in their backyards listening to me, but we're gonna go with it. I hope the lighting's okay. I probably could face the other way and get a little bit better lighting, but then you just see like the side of my house. So I thought the little fence and a little greenery was better. I don't know. Let's jump right into the meat of this video. The meat of this video is I'm opening our Fabfitfun box. So I did receive this yesterday and it is their spring box. They are typically $49.99. I will link it down below if you want to check it out. But there's always fun and different things. Sometimes it's beauty, sometimes it's fashion. There can be skincare, accessories. God, there's so much that can go into it, as well as fitness products. I have opened it up and I've also seen some sneak peeks. So this is not a complete surprise, but I don't know everything that's in it. So it always comes like this. They have their little paper that kind of tells you everything about it. And here's what my box looks like. And now I'm just gonna pull things out of it. So the first thing right on top is this Ish lip palette. So I have tried one or two things from this brand, but not a whole lot. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this for myself though. I think I might just give it to you guys because I do have the Anastasia lip palette, which has like everything you could need to create almost any lip color, and I still rarely use it. So I don't see myself getting a lot of use, but I will show you guys what it looks like. It does have an array of nice wearable colors, so definitely leave me a thumbs up or leave it in the comments below if you'd like this in a giveaway, or would you rather see me swatch it? You can leave that in the comments below. And on the back it says hashtag I'm smoking hot. The next thing I see are these Etika Los Angeles earrings. So they are cute little tassels. I hope that that color is okay in picking up. It's hard for me to see at this moment, but they are just little studs that hang down. This would actually be kind of cute with what I'm wearing now, but they're a little pinker. So that's what they look like. They're pretty cute. Definitely something a little bit different for me. You guys know I stick with my little diamond studs most of the time, and I actually really mean to play around with different earrings. I just get stuck in like, you know, I don't have to bother with them. I can take them out, clean them, pop them back in, and leave them in for a while. So yeah, but these are really cute. They also had a black and gray option, but I really like this better for spring. Okay, so the next thing I see, I did see a spoiler of, but you didn't know what design you were getting. So this is a Rachel Pally, I'm guessing that's Pally, little clutch bag. And I'm pretty sure this is like the one design where I was like, ugh, I don't like it, but it's really not that bad in person. So it's a fold over, so you could wear this like little faux leather side with just a little bit of the print, or you could fold it over the other way. I know you're supposed to be able to wear it both ways, and that's the print overall. It's not bad. I don't really see myself using this a lot. It's not quite my style, but it is nicely made, and then it is pretty roomy on the inside as well. I'll pull the fabric out to show you guys. There is an inner pocket with the same print, so it's a pretty big, generous pocket. So that's my clutch bag. I also got this Free People and Understand leather. This is a little eye patch. Is this real leather? This is what it looks like. It's got little stars. I don't know why this reminds me of Texas, but maybe it's Dallas Cowboys that it reminds me of. And then inside, it has a cooling pack, which you can take out, which looks like this. It's just a little pack. It's like gel. I want to open up my little magazine and read it with you guys. Aha, it is vegan leather, yes, so I'm more excited about it now. This retails for $40. Non-toxic cooling insert keeps you feeling and looking refreshed. We can read the newspaper together. The lip palette valued at $42 and the clutch values for $60. Would never pay that myself. More excited that I know this is vegan leather, so awesome. I think I might actually use this because it's very soft on the inner part that would be touching the skin, and then of course it's really, really cute. It reminds me of Texas, but it's also like, you know, the stars while you sleep, so that's pretty cute, and I do like this color. I also got Dermalect Cosmeceuticals Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler. So this says peptide infused concealer and treatment.
It's a ridge filler. Oh, it's for your nails. I was really confused there for a second because it says Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler.
But it has keratins, peptides, Okay, so a ridge filler. I'm kind of excited about that now. And it's got like a pretty little shift to it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that at all, but it's almost like a little iridescent feel to that. Okay, so I also got this. Let's read about this too, because I've got no idea what I'm doing here. It says it does wonders for sore, achy muscles, improves flexibility, break up scar tissue, and keep tender muscles at bay. I think it would be nice on my thighs, like get some circulation flowing. Next I see the number 14 Super Bloom. This says basil, tangerine leaf, anise, violet, geranium, lily of the valley, jasmine, rose, rosewood, and cashmere musk. It's a really long list of things. And this is by Anderson Lily. This is what the box looks like. It's pretty cute. This is from their Sunset collection. It is a candle and it's in a copper jar. I rather like that just copper sleek look to it. It is floral, but it's light. It's like a clean, light floral. I'm not a big flower person, so if it's like overly floral a scent, I'm just like, no, but I actually like this. Overall, really nice smelling. So we're gonna burn that in the spring, yay! And it is spring. Just kidding. Let's see, this is by KNC Beauty, and I'm pretty sure this was a pick. You could get these or something else, and I've actually gotten these before and really loved them, so I did pick these. So they're the all natural collagen infused lip mask, and I actually thought that this did wonders, so I am really happy to have these. I did feel like my lips looked very plump and smooth when I used them. I think I had one of these in my last one, which is just a little extra. This is the Dove exfoliating body polish with crushed macadamia and rice milk. That's what it looks like. And I think that's just like a little extra thing. And the last item in my box is the Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion, which looks like this. So this says it's lightweight, oil-free, provides shine-free hydration for blemish-prone skin with honey extract and natural humectant. Okay. It says Queen of Meadow, refined skin texture, and Arnica soothes skin for smoother, healthier looking complexion. Okay. So I do tend to get a little bit more oily and breakout prone during the summer. I feel like the hotter it gets, the little bit oilier I get, which right now I wouldn't mind because my skin is super dry. But this is the last thing in my box, and I'm pretty excited to have this because I do love Murad products. Their new Hydrodynamic Moisturizer, I love. Alright guys, that was everything in my spring Fabfitfun box. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to check it out below if you are interested in seeing what the box is all about. And make sure to leave this video a thumbs up if you like these types of videos. And of course, comment below if you have any suggestions. I always love to hear from you guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.